So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first guys, you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and this is search button. Click to search. After that you can see this, enter your model number of motherboard, B650 UDAX. After that hit enter. Then click to title of this. Click on support. Select your operating system which is required, Windows 10 and 11, any, but installations process same, any. So Bluetooth driver, see this is Bluetooth driver, click to download. And completed, open and double click to run. You can see this is install Bluetooth driver, and it is closed automatic. This is installed.